Ladies and gentlemen, brand new Rolling Heritage video. Thank you for tuning in again. Recently I have made this Volvo 240 behind me into a daily driver. So I've posted 2 videos about taking this car from a storage shed where it has been for 12 years and I restored it into a very nice daily driver. So I've been driving this car for about 7,000 kilometers already and we're only, I think, about 5 to 6 months later. So I have one little problem with this car, but more on that later. So this car has some upgrades, as you can see. So I've upgraded the wheels. I am running 15-inch OZ Fittipaldis straight from the 80s, 5x108 ET25. So the original Volvo lineup with the bolts and everything else. So it fits perfectly fine. I'm running V-Tour Galaxy R1s with the 2.5 centimeter white wall, perfectly fine tire, perfectly fine rim, and I just love the looks on this car with this blue color. More shots on that later. I've also upgraded the interior. We went from the original gear shifter to a very nice shiny wooden gear shifter, and we also went for a Momo Heritage steering wheel, my all-time favorite steering wheel. So that is a very nice upgrade. Power steering is also coming in, but more on that later for another video. I've also swapped out the old seats for these very nice black leather Safas by Koenig seats. But one very bad problem I have with this car is the paint. I have some cracks on the roof, I have some cracks on the front windscreen, and we need to fix all those cracks, and we actually can't fix them, but the thing we can do is just give the car a full detail. So I have my bucket over there, I have all my cleaning supplies, I have my polisher next to me, and today we're going to fix the paint. So guys, this is the car inside, masked off and clayed. So what I do is I use a clay bar, and with the clay bar you can get all the debris off the car. So all the dirt that has been embedded in the paint, you can clay that out. You have very much brands of clay. The one I'm using right now is just Detail Pro detailing clay, the blue clay you see on top. And I'm using Detail Pro Super Clay Luber. I have used Charna Gloss, I have used other brands, but yeah, it's all pretty much the same. The polishing stuff I'm using, this is a recommendation of a friend of mine. He recommends using Koch P6.02. This thing, I've used it on another car which you guys haven't seen on the channel yet, I guess, or this video has been uploaded later than that one, and then you might have seen it, but this is just a test piece. You can see on the camera there's a white spot over here, so this spot has been painted once. I have no idea if there is filler under there, I have no idea if there is even paint left on there, because why is it color changing? So this is just gonna be a test piece. I'd rather be using a different cutting pad for this, but I used it on the other car, so I'm using the yellow one you can see down there. And I'm using a cheap, very cheap, I think this thing was 30 bucks or something, Vonroc polisher. You can get these in the Netherlands. for, yeah, I think it was 30 or 40 bucks, but it has an adjustable RPMs, so yeah, it works. I did took off my trim of the car, so that's why you saw me removing the chrome trim from the side. And right now I'm just gonna try it. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna try it and we'll see. First of all, I'm seeing one mistake that I've already made, which is not masking the Volvo emblem on the side. So I'm just gonna grab some masking tape. So I'm just gonna try it. I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna try it on this corner. Let me move you guys very quick so you guys can see it better. So over there, we're gonna start on this little bit. Okay. So what I do is I just take, and I like to dab it on the car, and then we're just gonna go for it. So yeah, that's actually it. Now we have a whole car to do. So I do think it shines a lot better than the other side of the car. So I'm just gonna take you off the camera stand and you can like see the shine over here and then you can see the shine over there. So that's a world of difference, but yeah. So guys, we're actually busy with the rest of the car. So I have until now polished the front left fender, the front right fender and the bonnet slash hood slash how you want to call it. This front piece, as you can see, it shines very much. We did the complete bonnet and we also did the fender over on this side, which is also very nice and clean. So that means that we're almost like a quarter way in the car because it's a huge car. And mainly the roof will be a pain because that is the worst part of this car to do, because yeah, you cannot like nicely reach it, but also it has very much of those cracks that I talked about. And those also showed up in the bonnet, as you can see. You can see how they Ladies and gentlemen, brand new day. So yesterday we have finished both front fenders, we have finished the bonnet, we have finished the complete full roof, and we also did the tailgate. So what we have left is actually the doors and the rear quarters. But yeah, a little bit of a different mic setup today. Just thought I put it on my little hat because yesterday I had it on my shirt, but it was just not working. Yesterday it was on the hottest part of the day. It was 30 degrees in here, and right now it's already at 31 degrees at 10 o'clock in the morning. So that's going to be a great day. It's going to be ridiculously hot, maybe the hottest day of the year, but we'll see. I think the car looks amazing. So I've driven it home yesterday. You can see how much shine there is in the hood, and there's also so much shine on the roof of the car. There are some spots where I have question marks because I'm sure you cannot see it on the camera, but like it looks very nice on camera, but in real life it's like a bit whitish on some spots. So that fender cleaned up very well, that side of the hood cleaned up very well, and here we have some white spots, but it doesn't show that well. I've also put on new wiper nozzles because the original ones just have one single nozzle and these have two. So I'm getting two sprays on the window and over there too. And I did that because with the original ones, I had some trouble with getting enough water on the window. This works great. I'm getting compliments everywhere I go. So this morning also was at a different Volvo shop delivering some stuff I borrowed, and the guys over there also gave me a compliment on this car. So thank you very much for that. I really love the car myself too. And today we have to remove all the door trim. We have to mask off every single bit of rubber. We have some spots beneath the window which I have sanded down and painted before, so we might do that too, but I also have like a full day planned soon, not today but soon, where I will just go over the car fully with a paintbrush and tip it on every single spot it needs paint. But for today we're just going to attack the doors on this side, and when the doors on this side are all done and ready, we can then move over to the other side. But yeah, the other side is a bit crowded right now, like a bit small to work on. So we're just gonna do it side by side. I am gonna clean this side off first, and when this side is clean and like polished and everything else, because we got some poo-poo over there from yesterday evening. But yeah, let's get this side prepped up. Let's polish this side fully, get all the trim off, wash it again, and then we can polish this one. And when this side is polished, we can then swap the car around and do the other side, and then we will be done. Let's go. So guys, this car is turning out amazing. I'm very happy and very pleased with how this side came out. I'm very happy with the tailgate, the front, the hood, everything else. But we still have some stuff left to do. So guys, end of the day, it's still crazy hot in here. I've just built a B18 over there for a Volvo Amazon customer, but the 240 is done. We've polished her up, we have cleaned her so well, and I'm just gonna roll the clips. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, please leave a like, because more than 70% is still not subscribed to this channel. Please subscribe to help me get more followers and make more projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. I'm just gonna roll the clips.